If you want to create an account in the Dollar Tree app, the process is quick and easy. First, download and open the official Dollar Tree app on your Android or iPhone. On the welcome screen, tap Sign In and then select Create Account or Sign Up if you don't already have an account. Enter your first and last name, email address, create a secure password, and provide any other required information. Review and accept the terms and privacy policy, then tap Create Account or Register. If prompted, verify your email address by clicking the verification link sent to your inbox. Once your account is verified, return to the app and sign in using your email and password. After logging in, you can choose your preferred store, save favorite products, browse weekly ads, receive notifications about new deals, and personalize your shopping experience. If you don't receive the verification email, you can check your spam or junk folder or request a new verification email from the app. And that's it. This is how you can easily create your Dollar Tree app. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.